Welcome, guys. Another video here. Today we'll be looking at XRP, looking at the market conditions as we start on the monthly time frame. We had a bearish double top. You see, price came retested by some liquidities from the neckline, dropped again. So now you can check where price will form or go to grab some liquidity before maybe a continuation downwards or a change in price action. So from what we can see here, the Fibonacci does give us that the ratio that price would go to retest is 61.8. Is obviously it's quite interesting price range in terms of the fact that it aligns with a few market rules in terms of resistance around here. So resistance, support, and it's a golden ratio range. And obviously we have that close to the break of structure where price came to the lowest before going up. So I'll be looking at 61.8 ratio price range to see what market, how the market react once it gets to this range, because it's very, very important to look at these ratios to understand how traders behave and move during the activities in the market. Okay, so again, if you look at a weekly time frame, we can see that there's a lot of liquidity that needs to be collected on the weekly before price can see maybe a continuation to the downside. So again, looking at the weekly time frame, we can calculate and we can see, and obviously the 61 obviously is in line with the last support zone. So we had a support here, we had a support here, so it's very, very important to be looking at these price action to understand where price has interest in terms of sellers and buyers to see how you can move about with your trading strategy. So I'll be looking at this area, this zone here, to understand how the market will react, whether sellers will take control and change the direction towards the downside, or buyers will push price past the support to the neckline. Now the neckline, what I mean the neckline is literally this price range here. So neckline is where price went up, came back and tested it before going up again, failing to break the resistance slash the higher high on this candle here, obviously forming a weak bearish candle, which is a confirmation of change of direction. So all these things do need to be considered first before any sort of action is taken on trades. So therefore we have so I believe first one is here, and the second one is price coming all the way to the neckline before maybe we can get any form of a reaction. So we just have to be on the lookout and see how the market would react to these price zones. As I said, it's very, very important that we mark out these areas that price are very interested in to see how the market reacts, to then understand the how the market how the next move, or how to move in the market in order to avoid and increase the probabilities of gaining some profits in the crypto market. So now this is the weekly time frame, as you can see here. So we have our neckline. You have a neckline, neckline support slash resistance, and obviously we have our Fibonacci. We have our Fibonacci golden ratio, golden support slash resistance, fib retrace. So yeah, these are two areas that we need to be paying attention to, and obviously we will be looking at to see how our price reacts. Um, so yeah, but as of now, I should expect what we call a upside to test at least zero point 0.5, between 0.53, 0.58 of XRP before maybe we can see a change in direction to the downside, or a break of the support to the neckline, and then maybe a continuation from downwards. Okay, now on a daily. So on a daily, we can see daily. You can see that price retest the last change of structure area of interest here. As you can see, price formed a double top, went down, double bottom, went up, and came back and retested this resistance here to confirm a bullish entry to the upside. So yeah, obviously, if I'm hoping most traders will be looking to enter a buy position. So if you want to enter a buy position, I will look for price to break. As price is breaking here, I'll look for a confirmation, or what we call a retest to the lows of this area here, of the highs of this area here, before we see a continuation to the upside to test this you know resistance that we have here now. So that's my understanding of XRP. um Currently, I'm believe I'm anticipating a upwards to test this price area here that we have on the weekly and monthly time frame, in order to see how our price action would move. Whether price would go up to test this highs and continue to change direction, or price will break this structure, this structure we have here. Price will break it and form like a continuation to the upside to test the neckline on our weekly time frame. So it all comes down to how price will react to the market. So we just have to be, look out and see. So in this current market, I'll just be looking out for any bullish entries to enter for the upside. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Drop your suggestions. So this is XRP. Yeah, so like, comment, share, subscribe, and